Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome on back. So today's look is hashtag drugstore only. So I use all drugstore brands minus the finishing powder because I couldn't find it in the store and I was not about to be out here looking a mess. So I cheated. Forgive me in advance. But hell, the rest of my face is done with drugstore brands. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. So to prime my face, I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline Baby Skin Primer and I'm just going to work that into my skin. And then to be extra glowy AF today, I'm just going to take my NYX Liquid Illuminator in the color Gleam and I'm going to work that into my skin. For foundation today, it is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the color 330. I literally have been grabbing this for the past couple weeks now. It is trying to give some of my prestige brands a run for their money, like no lie. All you have to do for it to work for you is to set your face a little bit more than normal because it is a drugstore brand. But other than that, like, this is fire. Like, absolute fire. So for concealer, I'm just going to be taking this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C10 or C11. I'm going to put it in the description box for accuracy purposes. And I'm just going to conceal and highlight until I like what I see. And to set everything in place, I'm just going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution banana powder and literally setting everything like it has never been set before, just to be on the safe side. I absolutely love this setting powder, like for a drugstore brand. Like Makeup Revolution is, you know, coming for a couple other people too. Alright, so for my eyeshadow palette today, I'm just going to be using the Makeup Revolution Neutral 2 palette. Like, I was not looking for it. It was looking for me. It found me. I thought it was fire, so I bought it. So I'm just going to go in with that pink color, and I'm just going to work it into my crease. You do have to work a little bit, you know, more than normal with this eyeshadow because it is drugstore. So for you to get the actual pigmentation you like, be prepared to work, girl. And then I'm just going to be taking that darker purplish kind of color and I'm just going to dab it on my outer corners. I'm not really caring about precision right now because I'm just going to buff that out later, so it doesn't matter. And then taking that same concealer, what I'm going to do is just give myself kind of a little half cut crease a little bit. I'm really just doing that today to make sure that the shimmery shade sticks and does not like wear off throughout the day. Like, it's just extra precaution. And then taking this pink color, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab away until I like what I see. That's it. Alright, now once I like what I see, I'm just going to go ahead and dust off all of the setting powder. And like I said earlier in the video, I kind of cheated because I did not find the foundation finishing powder that I was looking for in drugstore brand. So I went on ahead and used Old and Faithful. If you've been following me, you know Old and Faithful is the pure foundation. So sorry, not sorry. To bronze slash contour, I'm just going to be taking this NYX bronzer and I'm just going to give myself a little more life, carve out my features a little bit, you know, be extra AF today, okay? And then for highlight, I'm just going to go in with that Maybelline highlighter in the color Molten Gold. It is hella messy, but I actually love it. Like, I love the pigmentation. Like, fight me on it. I dare you. And then for blush, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this NYX Ombre blush. Totally forgot about it, but I'm just going to dab that on the apples of my cheeks. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with that dark mauve color, and I'm just going to sweep that under my bottom lashes to make sure that everything is just cute, for real, for real. And I'm just going to keep it moving right on along. Oh, can't forget to comb through my brows a little bit, you know, make sure they straight too. And then for eyeliner, I'm just going to take this NYX vinyl eyeliner, and I'm just going to hold my breath and say a prayer and give myself a nice bold wing. And then for my mascara, I'm just gonna throw it all the way back and use my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. Like, I saw this growing up in like my mom and auntie, like in great auntie's drawers. Like, this is real old school, but it still works. So to set everything in place, I'm just going to be taking this E.L.F. setting mist and just set till I like what I see. So for lips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of that NYX blush and just dab it onto my lips. And then for gloss, I'm just going to take my NYX Chromatic gloss. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It'll be in the description box. And I'm going to gloss down my lips until I like what I see. I mean, that's it. We almost done, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is the completed look. If you like it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be like Nike and just do it. We've been down this road before, so just do it, all right? But yeah, also make sure that you're connecting with me on my other social media platforms as well. But yeah, that's all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, that kindness does not cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember to be kind and be you.